Hello everyone, it's your boy Sonic798 and I'm back to do another video. This video is going to be a review on the hair that I'm wearing currently. If you want to know the specs, details, and everything of my Goodliness Hair from Aliexpress, stay tuned. Yes, this is my Goodliness 13 by 4 lace frontal wig. I have it in a 26-inch. I also have an additional bundle of 26-inch installed. This hair came in a 1B27 color, which I then custom colored to get this navy blue, dark navy blue color, as used blue, black, blackberry, navy blue color. So onto the specs. So this hair initially came in a 1B27 color. I will insert a picture of what it looked like on the ad about right here. Yes, so the hair came like that, you know, that golden-ish, blondish color, untoned blonde color. I went in with the Tintations, the Kiss Tintations gel color in the colors blue, black, and royal navy. To get this dark color, I wanted it a little bit darker because I work in I work in a business professional environment where you can't wear unnatural hair colors, so I was trying to get it way darker so that I could pull it off for longer, but this is the color it's settled on. I feel like if I threw another layer of blue black on it and let it sit for longer, it would look darker. But you know, beggars cannot be choosers. I probably won't be able to wear this hair at my new site because the more people are coming through and whole thing. This color was inspired by Tierra Monet, aka T's Black Pearls. I'll link her tutorial that I followed up in the corner. It was really simple, you know, threw the color on. The hair already came in the color that her bundles were, so then I threw the color on and let it process for a day. I learned this trick from Malibu Dollface. When you put the color on, you let it color, especially with gel or cellophane colors. If you let it set until it gets really hard and dry, because the moisture will come out of the hair and it will come out of the color and it'll dry and it'll like shellac the hair in the color that you want it. And so it helps it penetrate deeper, even though they say, oh, you only need 30 minutes, or you only need, you can process it with heat or without heat. It depends on what you want to do. It's only a semi-permanent cellophane color. But yeah, so I just put it on the hair. I let it sit for about a day. And then I rinsed it out. I think I washed it once with shampoo just to get any excess out, to get that residual layer off. Because if you don't, you can rinse it with cool water, and then I would wash it just one time with shampoo, because I noticed with these gel colors, even like Adore, this one, other ones, semi-permanent gel-based colors, if you don't rinse it off, or if you don't wash off the initial layer, it can get really, really, how do I say, it won't hold the styling even after you like rinse it out and curl it. It's very limp. And that's because the cuticle is sealed down and it's like a sealing treatment, but your hair won't act the right way, just saying. So like I said, this is a 13 by 4 frontal. It's the frontal. I'm not going to tug on it too hard because I have literally sat here trying to fight and lay down. So the lace is laid. However, the front of the lace is like lifting because it's only laid with got to be glue spray, and I sweat even though it is cold here in Maryland right now. My building has automated heat, so like I can't control my thermometer, so my furnace will just cut on and off. So it cut on and it's on the freaking devil right now. It's hot. So like I'm sweaty, and so if you hear what's in the corner, I have my fan blowing, which is just blowing hot air at this point because there's no cool air to circulate. So there's that. So I just like try to lay what got to be glue sprayed. For once, my lace actually looks right. Mind you, the middle looks right. The sides, yeah, this is try to lay that down. You know, it looks better than it usually does. Usually, I wouldn't be able to get this much out of it, so like beggars cannot be choosers. My lace decided that it wanted to act right today, so it's acting right today. I feel like I am gonna wrap my hair before I go to sleep tonight. I highly doubt this wig will stay on. So, My install is done with a wig grip band. I have a wig grip underneath. It's like one of those felt ones. I'll insert a picture here as well. What it looks like. I have that under here and I have one wig cap. I didn't do the ball cap method. That was just, we're not doing that. I had enough time trying to lay this lace. You think I'm going to lay a ball cap? We're good. You know, she's there. She's cute. The part could be a little bit lighter. I think I did bleach the knots. I'm not too sure. I know I bleached the knots on one of these wigs. It might have been this one. But, you know, the hairline real natural. She looked real. I look like these little Instagram girls. Pure. You know, what lace, sweetie? Don't get too close. You'll see the lace. Not what lace. You'll see the lace. Um, yeah, so I don't have too many qualms with this hair. The only main thing is that, like, so if you can see, the hair is kind of fuzzy on the ends. That's because I burnt the hair. I burnt the hair. So at the beginning, this hair initially did not hold a curl. This is actually, it's doing really well. I don't know what I did here. The hair gods and stars aligned because my hair usually does not look like this. I actually did this video a while ago and my hair was okay, but it didn't look like this. It wasn't as coiffed. It had wand curls in it. This actually came out really, really well because I just curled it. It's falling a little bit because I keep touching it. If I stop touching it, it won't fall. So there's this. And then I done it with wand curls. That would fall, but the hair doesn't really hold a curl well. Also, like, there's a ton of hairspray in this. So I would curl this hair on like 450, 400, 450 almost every day. Sometimes with heat protectant, sometimes without. And here we are. The ends are kind of burnt, you know. I put a little argan oil in them before I curled it today so they don't look as bad. But I know that if I went out in the wind right now, it would be we're not going to do that. That's where most of the tangling came from, was the fact that, like, the hair has been burnt, and so the cuticle's fucked up, and I've trimmed it a little bit. It was 26 inches. It's not that much shorter now. Like, well, yeah. It's about a 24, 22. I've also layered this hair, so if you can see, the hair is layered as well to add some of the curls, because I layer my hair because I curl my hair more often than I wear it straight, so it just makes sense for me to layer my hair. So yeah, outside of that, you know, minimum shedding. It's nothing too serious, you know. This is mostly, so this is like what I've gotten today. This is just breakage more so than shedding because the ends are damaged. When I do shampoo it, I had a purple shampoo, but what I did was I added some of the Royal Navy hair dye to the purple shampoo to make it more blue instead of purple. And, oh, that's the other thing that I hate about this hair. You probably can't see it, but it stains. It stains if, like, when I touch it too often, you'll have like blue tinges on your hand. Yeah, like I have my hands are basically, if you could see this, it's not coming up because the lights are overexposed, but like it's blue. I got some on the lace. The lace is kind of blue. I have a little bit of powder on my lace, but I tried to lay my lace. The lace don't want to lay down, so it's a whole bunch of other stuff. Yeah, so my hands turn a little bit blue from staining, but you know, the price to pay when you want to wear colorful hair. I know I keep saying So there's that, you know. The curl is pretty. You know, I just did these curls with my flat iron, my little fan flat iron that like has a fan in it when you curl it, so it'll cool down the curl as well. You know, all in all, you know, it's good. You know, it's cute. She's cute. She's real cute. I like it. I'm actually really surprised that my frontal came out like this today, because usually my frontal will be coming out crooked and lopsided and look crazy, but you know, the hair gods aligned tonight for me to have a nice looking frontal for y'all, because please know it was not gonna happen. So yeah, that's that. You know, all in all, I recommend this hair. I liked it. I've had it since May. Yeah, I've had it since the beginning of the pandemic. Since like Miss COVIDisha's been here, I've had this wig. So, you know, she's cute, she's nice, she's fun, she's flirty. She's flirty. I like it. You know, I would say get the wig. It's cute. If you have an average size head, it'll fit you better. Me and my big head doesn't fit us too well. But you know, we're going on. So, thank you for watching. If you like the hair, give it a thumbs up. If you have any other questions, don't feel free to put them in the comment box. And until next time, I will remember, like, comment, subscribe. You know, join us over here. I'm trying to get a better schedule about putting my videos up. I have more weight loss updates coming. I'm actually going to film one right after this. Thank you for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya. Bye.